everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made my chicken Parmesan wings. It's very easy. You need to pat your chicken dry, add some olive oil, and add your favorite seasonings. I'm adding paprika, garlic powder, some adobo, and some Texy Kitchen African flavor. And you're just going to mix very well. And after that, you're just going to chop your parsley and your garlic, just like that. Very easy. And after that, you're just gonna put your chicken back in the air fryer, and you're going to flip it after 15 minutes. I am frying this at 380 degrees. And now for the secret sauce, you're going to use some butter, add your parsley, your garlic, and you're just going to mix it really well like this, and add some Parmesan because I want my sauce, my butter sauce, to be very thick, just like that. And after your chicken is done, you are just going to add the garlic sauce on top and some more Parmesan cheese. And that's it, guys. It's very easy, and I hope I'll see you at the next recipe.